How to update SafePal firmware on hardware wallet. Are you guys facing issues to update SafePal firmware on hardware wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To update the firmware on your SafePal S1 hardware wallet, first go to official website safepal.io. Then tap on support and select firmware update. Download the latest firmware update files to your computer. Make sure to only use files from official website. Now, power on your SafePal device. Insert micro SD card into your computer and collect the downloaded update files into the root directory. Don't place them into any folder. After that, insert the micro SD card back into SafePal wallet. Power it on and it will automatically detect the update. Follow on-screen instructions to begin the update. Once done, device will reboot and your firmware will up to date. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how you can update SafePal firmware on hardware wallet. Bye bye.